So, your customer's on site. He forgot his diary at the office. He's up on the scaffolding. He needs to send an urgent invoice. How does he do it? Easy. Take out his phone, open Telegram, send a voice message, and from there, he can turn it into a purchase order, quotation, invoice, email, whatever he wants. Don't know how to do that? Easy. Stick around and I'll show you. Very easy. Hey guys, okay, I'm back. All right, so as I said, I just quickly want to show you the automation that I made with Mate.com, and I use Telegram. So Telegram will be your platform, what you can use to communicate with the office. You can also set it up for the customers in order for everybody to keep in contact with you. And this was specifically made with regards to, or with the aim of specifically busy businessmen and tradespeople. Tradespeople are always up on a roof or in a hole, or they're busy. The plumbers has got their hands full, and you don't always have time to grab a laptop and write an email or type something out. So the best way is if you can send a voice note, and the voice note gets transcribed and turned into a invoice, a quote, an email, a purchase order, or whatever. So for this example, I am only stopping the router over there, and I just got a example of an email that's going to be sent for a pay query. But then obviously from this, and just to save time, from there you will just you'll just copy and paste basically that, and you'll just branch that out to how many ever functions you want to do. So throughout, the page is a bit busy, but I just wanted to show you guys. So that's Telegram over here. This is your sheet for the office, which either the purchase orders or whatever you've set it up for will come through. You'll see that coming through, and so this particular one is a purchase order sheet for the customers, and then this one is for the emails where you'll just be able to see. So what I've done with this one is, you're going to have this top line is if a customer sends you a voice note on Telegram, or if the customer sends you a text on Telegram, so they type a message out to you. And these two, you'll see that will go to your Google Sheet. And then this one is what your company employees can use. So you can set that up through the IDs of Telegram for your supervisor, your employees, etc., etc. For the whole company, you can set that up by just using their Telegram ID. So it will be able to make it distinguished between exactly like what it is now. Whenever I send a message through, and you'll see I've got two different phones that I'm going to display it on, you'll see it can distinguish through the Telegram ID which phone it is, and then it knows it has to go either to those two lines, or it's my personal one, which goes to the bottom one, which I am acting as a company employee. You'll see I've got the two phones, the red one and the black one, which doesn't matter which one is which, but you'll see. So I'm going to go with my phone first, and we're going to send a message, and that will go through to the bottom. A lot of guys have asked me in the beginning, yeah, but you don't show it being automatically. So this one is already set to immediate as data arrives. So I will not touch the run once button. So this will be like it is in your company. Something that I haven't included into this is error handling. That is on a different level. So this is just for a MVP. Obviously, if it goes over to production, I add error handling as well. So let's start with the first one. Hey Jax, Joe from maintenance had a pay query, and can you just send out an email so that we can get to the bottom of this, because I don't want it to happen again, please. Thank you. Bye. Okay, so there goes the message, and you will see the email coming through there, the new email. Unfortunately, when you set it to automatic, it does not show how the automation runs. So I'll see right on the end, I'll maybe run another one. There's the email, and then I'll quickly show you. So I've just saved some time, and so this is when a customer has texted you. So that's going to be Bozo from Bozo the Clown Services, and the automation will run. And there you go, there's your new entry. And then the second one, hey, this is Gary from Lawn Services. I would just like to book a schedule and talk about voice agents, because I can't manage all the calls that is coming into my company. My contact number is 041 041 555 67. Please, if you can send me an email at lawn@hotmail.com so that we can discuss this going forward. And the PO number that you can use for this is Expert Lawns. So there goes the voice, and you'll also see that pop up there. There you go. There's Gary. So let me just quickly change this, and then I can show you that. Sorry, not there. Just change this one to on demand. What I'll do is I'll just copy and paste this one. Copy again, paste this one. So now you'll see the message coming through this way. Keep doing that when I want to. Okay, I'll just cheat. Just quickly use the same information, and you'll see that goes through there. Let's see if I can cheat again, and that would have been the third one. So that should, if I'm correct, yeah, go through the top. That was the voice message. So that is what happens in the background, but when you set it to immediately, that's something that you can't see because it just happens automatically. But I just wanted to show you that it does actually work and it's not coming from somewhere else. Okay, guys, so please like and subscribe. And if you want to know more, leave me a message, send me a message, and I can show you the error handling, or if someone is interested, I can build this out further to anything from quotes to invoices, etc., etc. But that is that in a nutshell and how it can work. It takes away all the trouble of having to write messages down. You can also use it for multiple purposes. You can walk on site and you can just take notes, say send the email, and it will send the email to the office. So if any of your workers is on site, you can also do it for timesheet. You can make multiple voice messages and you just say, hey, from 9 to 10, I did this. From 10 to 10:30, I took a break. And from 10:30 to 12, I did that, etc., etc. Okay, hope you enjoyed it. See you soon. Cheers. Bye.